In our modern world, exposure to various toxins from environmental pollutants to chemicals in our food has become an everyday reality. While the body has its natural detoxification systems, such as the liver, kidneys, lungs, and skin, supporting these systems through natural methods can enhance their effectiveness and improve overall health. This article will explore several natural ways to help remove toxins from the body, promoting wellness and vitality. Understanding toxins. Toxins are harmful substances that can adversely affect the body's functioning. They can be classified into two categories: endogenous toxins. These are produced within the body due to metabolic processes, such as ammonia and urea from protein metabolism. Exogenous toxins. These come from the outside environment, including pollutants, chemicals in household products, heavy metals, and pesticides. The body is equipped to handle many toxins, but when the exposure is excessive or the detoxification systems are compromised, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances, resulting in various health issues. Symptoms of toxin buildup may include fatigue, headaches, digestive issues, skin problems, and weakened immune function. Natural methods to remove toxins. 1. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for the body's natural detoxification processes. It helps flush out toxins through urine and sweat while supporting kidney function. To optimize hydration, drink plenty of water. Aim for at least 8-10 cups of water per day, more if you are active or live in a hot climate. Infuse water with herbs and fruits. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for added flavor and nutrients that can aid detoxification. 2. Eat a nutrient-dense diet. A balanced diet rich in whole foods can help the body eliminate toxins effectively. Focus on the following food groups: fruits and vegetables. These are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support detoxification. Cruciferous vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, kale and leafy greens. Spinach, Swiss chard are especially beneficial. Fiber-rich foods. Dietary fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, aiding in the excretion of toxins. Include whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties that support overall health and detoxification. Herbs and spices. Incorporate herbs like cilantro, parsley, and turmeric, which have been shown to possess detoxifying properties. 3. Support liver health. The liver is the body's primary detoxification organ, and supporting its function is crucial for efficient toxin removal. Here are ways to enhance liver health. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can damage liver cells and impair its detoxification abilities. Moderation is key. Incorporate liver-supporting foods. Foods like beets, artichokes, and green tea can enhance liver function and promote detoxification. Consider milk thistle. This herb has been shown to protect the liver and support its detoxification processes. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise promotes circulation and enhances lymphatic drainage, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Here are some tips to incorporate physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Activities like brisk walking, cycling, and swimming can help improve overall health and support detoxification. Incorporate sweating. Engaging in activities that make you sweat, such as hot yoga or sauna sessions, can help eliminate toxins through the skin, one of the body's natural detoxification pathways. 5. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is vital for the body's detoxification processes. During sleep, the brain removes toxins that accumulate throughout the day. To promote better sleep, establish a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your body's internal clock. Create a relaxing bedtime environment. Limit screen time before bed. Keep the bedroom dark and cool, and engage in calming activities like reading or meditation. 6. Practice deep breathing. Breathing deeply can help oxygenate the body and promote the elimination of toxins. The lungs play a crucial role in detoxification, and deep breathing exercises can enhance lung function. Here are some techniques to try. Diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat for several minutes. Incorporate breathwork. Practices such as yoga and Tai Chi emphasize deep and controlled breathing, promoting relaxation and detoxification. 7. Consider detoxifying herbs and supplements. Several herbs and natural supplements are known for their detoxifying properties. Before starting any new supplement, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are safe for you. Here are a few popular options. Dandelion root. Known for its diuretic properties, dandelion root can help support liver function and promote detoxification. N-acetylcysteine NAC. This supplement helps replenish glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports detoxification processes in the liver. Chlorella and spirulina. These algae are rich in nutrients and may help bind heavy metals and toxins, aiding in their removal from the body. 8. Limit exposure to toxins. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins can help decrease the overall burden on your body. Here are some practical steps. Choose organic foods. Whenever possible, opt for organic fruits and vegetables to minimize exposure to pesticides and chemicals. Use natural cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning products contain harmful chemicals. Consider using vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils for cleaning instead. Filter your water. Use a water filtration system to remove impurities and contaminants from your drinking water. Be mindful of personal care products. Choose natural, non-toxic personal care products, including shampoos, lotions, and cosmetics, to reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. 9. Stay connected to nature. Spending time in nature can have a rejuvenating effect on the body and mind. Nature provides a natural detoxification environment, and being outdoors can enhance your mood and well-being. Here are some suggestions. Take regular walks in nature, whether it's a park, forest, or beach. Walking in nature can reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and encourage physical activity. Practice grounding. Walking barefoot on grass or soil can help connect you to the earth and promote a sense of well-being. 10. Foster emotional well-being. Emotional and mental health plays a significant role in overall wellness and can impact the body's ability to detoxify. Chronic stress can hinder the body's detoxification processes. Here are ways to support emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Engaging in mindfulness practices can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, allowing the body to function optimally. Seek support. If you are struggling with emotional challenges, consider talking to a therapist or counselor who can help you navigate your feelings and experiences. 11. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as a health trend, and it may have detoxifying benefits. By cycling between periods of eating and fasting, the body can focus on repair and detoxification. Here are some common methods. 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. 24-hour fast. Some people choose to fast for a full day once or twice a week. This approach can promote cellular repair and detoxification. 12. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can burden the body's detoxification systems. To support your body's natural detoxification processes, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Cook at home. Preparing meals from scratch allows you to control the ingredients and avoid unhealthy additives. Read labels. If you do purchase packaged foods, Read labels carefully and choose products with minimal ingredients and no artificial additives. 13. Engage in regular detox practices. Incorporating regular detox practices into your routine can support your body's natural detoxification processes. Here are some practices to consider. Detox baths. Soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salts or baking soda can help draw out toxins through the skin while promoting relaxation. Dry brushing. Using a natural bristle brush to gently exfoliate the skin can stimulate lymphatic drainage and enhance circulation. Conclusion: removing toxins from the body naturally involves a holistic approach that focuses on nourishing the body, supporting its natural detoxification systems, and minimizing exposure to harmful substances. By adopting healthy lifestyle habits, including a nutrient-dense diet, regular exercise, hydration, and stress management, you can enhance your body's ability to detoxify effectively. Remember that everyone's body is unique, and the approach to detoxification may vary from person to person. It's essential to listen to your body and make gradual changes that work for you. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you can promote a cleaner, healthier body and enjoy a greater sense of vitality and balance in your life.